Hey guys, welcome to Essentials. Today I'm making a green olive and basil aioli, a great sauce for fish, meat, veggies, pretty much anything you'd like. Stuff's delicious. Let's get to cooking. I've got some green olives. These are Italian Castelvetrano olives, one of my favorite olives. They're pitted. Go right in there. I've got some raw garlic cloves, 2 of those. My favorite roast garlic, 2 of those in there. A little bit of lemon juice, some whole basil leaves as well. And we have our egg yolks, 2 egg yolks. And what we're gonna do is kind of macerate all those ingredients together.